Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable insights. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of a powerful financial instrument, derivatives. Understanding derivatives is like having a secret weapon in your financial toolkit. So, stick around as we break down the complexity and unlock the potential of derivatives. What exactly are derivatives? In simple terms, they're financial contracts whose value is derived from an underlying asset. This could be anything from stocks and bonds to commodities and even interest rates. We'll explore the different types of derivatives, including options, futures, and swaps, to give you a comprehensive view of this fascinating financial tool. Now that we know what derivatives are, let's talk about why they matter. One of the primary functions of derivatives is risk management. They provide a way for investors to hedge against price fluctuations in the market. While derivatives offer tremendous opportunities, they also come with inherent risks. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for our next video. Investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully. This video is only for educational purposes. Please consult your financial advisor before making any decision.